All right, it's a gorgeous day here in Collingwood, Ontario, and we're going to be heading out and doing some ice fishing. We're going to North Bay, Ontario today, about 3.5, 4 hours north. Hopefully there's ice because it's like 4 degrees. Oh, here's my ride. Let's go. Alrighty, so we've arrived in North Bay and we are at the Greening Bay Cottages. They also own a little campsite here. We're just getting ready to load up our stuff on the sleds and they're going to bring us out to the fishing hut. Today's video isn't sponsored, but if you're in the Collingwood area and you need any electrical work done, be sure to call my friend Paul at Mountain Electric. Free promo, bud. All right, here comes our ride.
We got a side-by-side with tracks towing a little shack behind it. That's going to be our transport out to the cabin on the water.
It's gonna be good. Okay, and we're hopping in this thing. In a little bit of time, we'll either be there or dropped off on the road. We'll see what happens. Legally, we have to lock ourselves into this so there's no liability. So yeah, we're all good.
We don't have to get helmets though.
That's actually a pro. Almost on the ice. Look at this sunset intro.
Dude, when you're out there and you go and you look around, you can just see other huts glowing in the distance, and like you get being in the middle of the lake is fucking like no other.
This is fucking gorgeous.
That's $500.
All right, and as we exit out our ride, look at this sunset. This is freaking gorgeous. We got the moon out. Beautiful sunset. Got some people on snow machines, and this is our home for the next couple days. We're super excited because it's got a barbecue. And now we're entering the cabin, being sure to clean our feet as much as we can. And it is super rustic, super simple. This will be perfect. So we got all unpacked, we got our stuff in gear, we got some Russell Brand podcast going. And of course, already I've absolutely messed up my rod, got all my line tangled up, and we'll be fishing probably sometime by midnight. Fish of the day. Look at that beauty. Nice. Nice. Let's see if we can get one here.
Okay, man, let's see more of that.
Just lost my other rod down that hole.
That's a good
Well, we
fish,
did
dude.
just catch this big guy.
Oh, that hook is in my finger, dude.
Oh no. Did I do that? Sorry, bud.
No, I did it. That's a nice one.
Look at that fish. That's a keeper. That's a keeper? That's sweet. Can't believe I just lost that rod. Well, at least it was the $20 one and not the $40 one.
I need some light, man. I can't see.
Sorry, dude.
Okay, alright, settle down.
Wow. Yeah, that was the wrong holder.
You got your camera ready? You want to hold it?
First catch.
I can't. That's we gotta clean up.
Look at that. We got the rod back out of the other hole from over there that fell in over here. Now we just have a very massive tangle to deal with. All right, I got too many rods. We'll be back. Fish on. You got another fish on.
Oh, she's giving me a fight, boys.
Oh, look at that guy. Nice fish. It's too small though, but.
Oh no.
No. Nice.
Oh,
Nice
same
fish, dude. Look at that
Same one you had. Open that door, man. Let me.
Do now you want to measure it?
Is that a fish on there? Or is that my? You know what, dude? Yours would have been too.
I know.
I'd say that's a keeper, man. Look at it.
Yeah, give her.
Yeah, that's definitely a keeper.
That is a keeper. Here you can see our scale on the outside of the door, of course. Hey, buddy, reel in your fish.
I think it's my other rod, man. Oh no, it is a fish, dude. I think.
Oh, we're snagged onto something here. Oh no, you're snagged onto your rod right here.
Okay, all right.
Yeah, here. I'm not gonna touch it. Nice grab.
Nice one, Marco.
Nice, buddy.
Go
Now they're here.
measure it up and see if we can
Let's see what we got in the measuring wall of success.
It's got to get into the green. It's
Oh,
got to be between the greens.
She's a little short. Oh. Just
short.
Yeah.
just almost there.
Anyway.
Nice fish though, man. Nice job, buddy.
Yes.
Throw her on the side of the door, see where we're at?
Yeah, it's short.
Oh, short.
Sorry, buddy.
So it's our last day of ice fishing here in North Bay, and the weather has gotten warm and the ice has gotten very foggy. Looks a little sketchy when you look out. It looks like we're floating in the river, which we're technically are, I guess, but yeah, lots of water forming around the sides of our ice fishing hut. Last day, time to pack up and head home. And after a fun 48 hours of ice fishing here in North Bay, we're leaving the hut the way we found her. Nice little place to rent, highly recommend it. Just make sure you come when the weather's not crazy.
Depth of weather, right? Like, that depth would be great if there's only one below.
Now we're on our ride home. So as we're driving out, you can really see how wet the conditions are. It's been warm, 6 degrees for the last couple of days, but it's supposed to hit minus 21 tomorrow. And we're back on solid ground. Not gonna lie, it was a little sketch.